Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Well, you have probably seen these weird looking red and green bars in a trading chart. But what do they actually mean? So today I will break it down the candlesticks charts in a very simple easy way possible, and by the end of this video you can understand the candlesticks charts and you're gonna understand how to read them, what they tell you, and how to use them for a smart trade. So candlesticks charts show how the price of an asset move in a specific period of time, like 1 minute, 1 hour, or a 1 day. Each candle gives you four key pieces of information: the opening price, the closing price, the highest price, and the lowest price. Let me show you a one single candle and explain it visually. So a green candle means the price went up. It opens at a lower point and closed at a higher point. And a red candle means the price went down. And this is opposite to green candle. It can open at higher point and close it at lower point. Now each candle has a body and a wick or shadow. Like the body shows the opening and closing price, the top wick shows the higher price, and the bottom wick shows the lower price. Now each candle represent a different time frame. If you can open a 5 minute chart, so each candle can give you a 5 minute price movement. 5 minute price action. If you can open 1 hour chart, so each candle represent 1 hour. What happened in 1 hour, this can be shown by one single candle. Like one single candle shows the price action in 1 hour. If you can open 1 day chart time frame, so each candle represent 1 day price action. In my previous video, the types of trading, if you can't watch it, so click on the I button and watch it. So in this video I can cover it. There are four types of trading: scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trade. And I will tell you that if you want to be a scalper, so you have to trade it in 5 minute chart, in 1 minute. So what does it mean actually? Scalping is a fastest way of trading. So in 5 minute chart or in 1 minute chart, you can spot a trade very faster. If you want a day trader or swing trader, you can check the 1 day chart or 1 hour chart. So these charts actually represent different time frames. Well, the candlestick pattern has a lot of patterns. There is a lot of patterns of candlesticks, but there are three main and beginner level of pattern I want to show you. And if you want advanced level of candlestick pattern, so come in me, then I can make a video on it. So first one is doji candle. Doji candle actually shows the indecision in the market. If you can see the in the market that buyers and sellers are balanced. So when the buyers and sellers are balanced, so a doji candle can be formed. So the second one is bullish engulfing. This shows strong buying signals. If you can see in a chart, the green candle covers the previous red one. So this means that a bullish uptrend comes. And the third one is hammer candle. Like you can think that why we can call this hammer. So look at the candle. This is actually looking like a hammer. You notice it. So if you can see the hammer candle in a chart, but remember, if you can see this in at the bottom of a chart, so what does it mean? It can shows potential reversal. Now there are different types of charts you might seen, but the main three ones are: the first one is line chart, the second one is bar chart, and the third one is candlestick chart. So the line chart is simple, shows only closing price. Bar chart similar to candles but harder to read, and the candlesticks chart most popular, like most of the people gonna use it and are detailed. Now you might ask that why reading a candlesticks is matter for me. So bro, candlesticks chart reading helps you spot trends, identify reversals, and understanding the psychology of market, and make better entry and exit decisions. So now you know about the candlesticks, what does it actually mean and how to read them. In the next video, I'm gonna making a video on combine, like I can make a video on candlestick chart pattern with support and resistance. So don't miss it out. So if you are new here, subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and don't miss the next video upcoming, because in the next video I'm gonna give you a secret which is very important for trading. Thank you so much.